What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is More Tips Tech, popularly known as AB Casino. If you are new to my channel, please kindly join the family, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so you won't miss out anytime, any day I dropped a new video. Alright, so before we go on to today's activities, please note that my videos, my content here on this channel are for educational purposes. I teaches and I do account management. And as for the account management, that is only when I'm chanced. All right, and again, on today's video we're going to be looking onto for Niger system, and it's going basically it's going to be on Rainbow. All right, so before we go into it, I always say this and I'll keep on saying it. Please, guys, anytime, any day you want to come up to the system and trade, please always come with the money you know you can afford to lose. All right, so that just is so, like, yeah, like as you're saying here now, I'm having 15,332 naira as my capital, which I want to use on a trade. And with this my magic calculator, which I'm going to be using now, I'm going to be using this my magic calculator to perform a rollover process for a good 3 times. So we're going to be seeing, I'm going to do it, then see, just sit back and relax and see if this my magic calculator is going to get it right or not. Okay, but at least I know one thing for sure, which is the money I'm trading with. Even though I lost the money, I know that okay, fine, it is the money I know I want to, it's the money I can afford to lose. That's why I'm using it to trade. You understand? So there's nothing to panic about. But I'm very much sure, I'm pretty much sure with this my magic calculator that I wouldn't lost the money. I'm going to win. You understand? So it's just a matter of win-win. You understand? So that's just how it is. So let's go into the activities of today, guys. So sit back and relax while I take you on the journey. So okay, this time of this one is almost out. ID 51, ID 50 expecting ID 51. So let me wait for the next result. Okay. All right. So let's see. Okay. So, right. Okay. Okay. So I am selecting red to come. So let's see. Let's watch if red is going to show. Okay, that's our first winning. All right. So let's see again. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Please don't come to this system and start using guessing method. It doesn't work. Guessing method doesn't work. It will only favor you for a while, for some moments. Okay, and the next thing you start losing. So don't come out to the system and start using guessing method. It doesn't goes like that. Wow, amazing, amazing, guys, amazing. This is out of, I need to screenshot this. Yeah, so I'm going for the last time. Let me see. Okay, all right, so let's go again. Okay, okay, all right, okay. So oof, time is gone. I can't play this. Time is gone. Can't play this. But let's just see if it's going to show. Let's see. Wow, it shows. I wanted to go on blue, but time is out of it. Okay, so let's play the last one since we are unable to play that one. Okay. Okay. All right, so let me check on last one. All right. All right, 30, 20.5. All right, so I'm going on going. So guys, let's see if gain is going to finally show. Then we call it a day. I will end it here when I get my green. I'm sorry, I don't want to stay long on the system. Wow, can you see that? That is amazing. 51,745 in less than few minutes. In less than few minutes, guys. So that is just how my magic calculator works. There's no way you're using my magic calculator that you won't get a profit. There's no way. That's just how simple it is. So guys, I won't um I won't say that you should what I want to say, like I won't say you should come to me. That is a must. You have to come to me. No, if you think you can get the way the way I'm getting this thing, like if you feel like you can get it the way I just did now without you coming to me, good and fine, no problem. But if you feel like you need to understand it deeper, you understand, then you can come over to me. My strategies are not cost. I just little. I don't overcharge my strategies, you understand. And if you are one of my old time subscribers, I will definitely, give a discount for you. All right. So that's just how it is, guys. So see you guys on my next video. On my next video, I think I should be working on my high and low updates. Yes, or you can just drop the anyone you feel like I should work on. You understand? Drop it. I will go to my comment section and read everything. So if you feel like you want me to go to work on any other options I have not mentioned or have not been working on, you can just list it down in the comment section. All right. So stay blessed, my guy, my people. I will catch you up on my next video. Good night.